We are doing an
Hey, Kaden.
unboxing today. And
Kaden.
Kaden. And Kaden.
Why are you acting like
I
you're...
don't know.
Why are you acting like you're so sad?
And it's like you said and Kaden when I was about to get started, and it's just sad.
You're sad.
I'm sad.
What's the pun of the day?
Oh, the pun of the day already. It's a stretch. It's cringy. I hope you like cringy. The teacher in music. All right, one sec. Repeat. The music teacher calls someone Chris instead of their right name. And another student says this is turning into a real crisis for crisis.
Oh, okay. So what do we have here, Mr.
We
Kaden?
have a
Who's it from?
Barn Brand Beard Co.
Yes. So this has three things in it.
Three.
One
Oh no.
is a mystery
Twist.
smell because it's a collaboration. And then the other one is one that I bought from Mr. Tex, and it is supporting breast cancer.
Wait a minute.
So
Four.
we did open a little bit of it so that it could come a little bit easier. And come out a little bit easier. And
It is I still can't say.
Emologist.
Emologist.
And this is what?
Emologist. 3-ounce exotic butter.
Ooh, bata.
Limited
And then
edition 25 of
something
40.
that remains nameless.
Wait a minute. Is this limited edition?
It is limited edition. You got a limited edition, sir.
Oh. All right, we're done.
Okay, so this is for
Hi,
breast
Joel.
cancer. Hello,
Hello.
homologist.
Hello, peoples.
Because it has a face on it, huh?
Hello, peoples.
Okay. So what is the ingredients? What's the ingredients on that? And this one is secret.
Oh no, it doesn't tell us the ingredients.
What?
It does not tell us the ingredients.
Oh, so it's a mystery smell to us.
I want to open. Oh, we'll just.
You open it.
No, wait. Well, I want to.
You want to open it? Okay. See,
And
you
I'm
can
using my pro ways on that. So.
your pro ways.
I
Your
pro
pro.
ways.
Your pro.
And I'm gonna be real sad if that's a pull up.
I don't think it is because you can see the little grooves in it. What?
No, I'm gonna. Do 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 do. Wait, is it that? Oh, never mind. Well, we're getting it. We're just 10 hours later. These are very hard to open.
Because it's securely in there.
I give thumbs up for whoever unpacked that. That's hard to open. That's good for protection.
Ooh.
Like, that's hard to open, so no one can steal that.
Steal it or it smell the scent. Okay, Kaden.
Well,
Let's smell that bad boy.
They could smell it, but they would probably be like, this wrapping is hard to get off.
Okay, let's see what that smells like. It's a mystery one. Do you like? What does it smell like? Smells like.
I kind of smell. It smells sweet.
I think it smells sweet, huh?
It smells
Okay,
very
what does that one smell like? Let's see. Open that one. Yeah, it does.
It smells very sweet.
Okay, Kaden, this is your time to put it on your hand.
It's my time to shine. Oh no.
It is a little. It's good oil. A little lighter in
It smells
consistency.
so good on the hand.
What does it smell like? Ooh, smells like fruitiness. Yeah.
It smells like fruit.
It does smell like fruit.
Get out of here! Now, what we've all been waiting for, my professional openings.
What?
Oh.
Ooh, creamy.
Let me just show you what this looks like. This looks cool.
Very
It
nice.
looks.
Does it smell good? Does it smell like the other thing?
Pretty different.
You think pretty different?
Pretty different, but they do smell both sweet. This one has just a little bit, like
Has
2%
a little bit more
lighter.
fruitier.
2% lighter and 2% more fruitier. You're right.
You think lighter and fruitier?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna open the other one, but we can't say what it is.
Oh, okay.
We just can't tell people because it's a secret item.
What if I want to tell?
You can't tell nobody. What if I want to tell? Okay, Kaden, you open that.
You just gave this to me because it was too hard for you, didn't you?
No, I just didn't. I got the scissors. You gave me some time to get the scissors going.
No, I'm cutting this. Get those off your hands. Cut you. I'm joking, I want it.
You better not. I'm the one that feeds you.
Mommy's the one who feeds me. I guess you do too.
In a roundabout way.
Well, I mean, you feed me. You're the one who mostly takes me to fast food places. Also,
oh, no.
Also, well, not fast. I don't know who does. I feel like people kind of do.
Yes. Weird.
I feel like you make better omelets, Don.
I do make better omelets.
Like, you make so good omelets.
It's from years of experience. Okay, Kaden.
This wrapper? We're good.
Okay, Kaden. Let's see what it smells like to you.
These right here, the stuff you see right now.
Well, this goes to cancer research and the cancer projects or charity.
So these are a limited edition. So like these are limited. So like definitely
I actually don't think you can get them. That's the last one. That's the last.
It says 25 of 48.
Oh, well, maybe there's a few more left.
Well, definitely try to buy these. Like look up and see if you can buy them because they're good. I bet they're gonna smell good when you go to work and people are like, what's that fruity goodness?
You think so?
Yeah.
What do you think this is gonna be? We can't tell you what it is. It's a secret. Oh. Are you very good with secrets?
I am terrible.
Oh. Maybe we shouldn't have unboxed it together because now you know a secret.
But I don't fully know what the secret is.
They know the secret too.
No, they don't. All they know is there's a secret.
Oh, there is a secret and a smell that goes with the secret. So,
I'm so confused!
Okay.
My brain can't handle this.
What do you have to say?
Goodbye, everybody. Thank you for watching our video today. I don't know why I just stand it up. And thank you so much for watching. Please, hey, you don't end this yet.
Oh.
Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notifications for more. And
the like.
And the like button.
And what else?
And comment down when you buy Barn Brand. Comment down what your favorite Barn Brand has been so far.
Barn Brand beards, yes.
Please comment it down.
Yep. Tell us what your favorite one is. Okay. Well, what are you gonna say?
Thank you so much, and
have a good night.
Have a good night, and also.
What?
I don't think you guys find my puns very punny.
Okay, bye.